Do you want to learn how to create coloring book for kids using this AI tool called Leonardo AI? In this video guys, I'm going to walk you through a full guide on how to create coloring books using Leonardo.ai. So right here guys, you want to easily just create an account for free and it's going to take you right onto this page. So right here guys, if you go onto the search bar, as you can see the search is temporarily disabled right here. So guys, all you want to simply do is to go on right here and simply search for a coloring book image right here. So right here guys, I'm just going to scroll down and search for a coloring book. So let's say, okay, this is an adult coloring book page. So you want to simply just search for a kid coloring book page right here. So I'm just going to do this right here. So right here guys, I'm just going to scroll down right here and search for children coloring book. Alright, we can actually use this for a children coloring book right here. So you simply just copy this right here. So guys, all you want to simply do is to copy the prompts. You copy the prompt right here guys, and you want to simply tap on this option that says generate with this model. So it's going to take you right onto this page and it's loading the images. As you can see right here, I can easily just paste in the prompts that I've copied right there. So this is the prompt and tap on generate and it's going to generate this right here as a coloring book. As you see right here, the elements right here is coloring book. So I'm just going to wait for some few seconds for this to be done. So right here, if I scroll, as you can see, it is done. So you can easily download the image for your coloring book. I can also go right here guys and simply paste in this right here and tap on generate and it's going to generate more images right here for my coloring book. So right here guys, as you can see, this is another image that can be used for a coloring book right here. So guys, all you want to simply do is to simply just paste in the prompts that are necessary for children coloring book right there. So I'm just going to generate this right here. So guys, all you want to simply do is to download this and add it to your coloring book. So this is how you can actually make use of this AI tool called Leonardo.ai to create coloring books that looks exactly like this right here.